Hello! We're excited to show you our native speech capabilities, where you can direct a voice, create realistic dialogue, and so much more. Edit these placeholders to get started. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Real Talk English Laugh and Learn. I'm Anna.
And I'm Mark. Today, we're sharing awkward, funny, or just plain difficult situations that happen to us, and yes, we're going to turn them into English lessons for you.
Oh yes! Let's start with a classic. Mark, tell the story about the coffee shop incident.
All right, so I went to order coffee in a cafe in London and I tried to say, I'd like a large latte, please, but I accidentally said, I'd like a large ladder, please.
A ladder? Were they going to hand you a ladder?
Exactly. The barista looked so confused, I thought I was going to have to climb a ladder to get my caffeine.
That's amazing! So, English learners, the lesson here is about mispronunciation. One small sound can completely change your meaning.
Right. Always listen carefully and practice words that sound similar. Latte versus ladder, sheet versus seat.
Okay, next, my airport disaster. I tried to ask a stewardess for a window seat, but I accidentally said a windy seat.
That's perfect. So everyone on board was like, wait, windy seat? Are we going to get blown away?
Yep. And the lesson here is about adjective confusion. Window versus windy, a tiny vowel can make your sentence hilarious.
Tip for learners, repeat words slowly and record yourself. Compare your pronunciation with native speakers.
Okay, next, grocery store chaos. I wanted to ask for directions to the bread aisle, but I said, where is the bread ice?
Bread ice? Did they give you ice cubes with your sandwich?
No, but everyone stared at me like I was from another planet.
Lesson, prepositions and nouns can be tricky. Always check your word order. Where is the blank?
Oh, and now for my favorite, asking for help in a hotel. I tried to say, could you call me a taxi? But I accidentally said, could you kill me a taxi?
That's terrifying. English learners, please avoid kill unless you want a very bad reaction.
Exactly. Instead, focus on polite modal verbs. Could, would, can.
All right, here's a tricky one I love. Ordering food in a restaurant. I tried to say, I'd like the fish, please, but said, I'd like the finish, please.
Finish? Were they supposed to bring you an ending?
I got a confused look, yes, and the lesson is listen to vowel sounds. English has many small vowel differences that matter.
Okay, now for a tip for your viewers. Whenever you make a mistake, laugh at it and repeat correctly. Mistakes are your best teachers.
Absolutely, and try to memorize funny stories like ours. Associating phrases with laughter helps your memory.
Last one from me. I tried to compliment someone's outfit and said, I like your chicken, instead of I like your jacket.
Oh no, that's classic.
The moral? Vocabulary matters, and sometimes words sound similar but are totally different.
So, English learners, the key takeaway today is pronunciation, word choice, and humor. Don't stress mistakes, learn from them, and have fun.
Exactly! Share your own funny situations with us, and maybe we'll read them on the next episode.
That's it for today's episode. Remember, laugh, learn, and speak confidently.
Bye everyone, and don't order ladders or windy seats.